The Star of Bethlehem has captivated the imagination of millions for centuries, standing as one of the most mysterious and symbolic elements of the Nativity story. According to the Gospel of Matthew, the star guided the wise men, or magi, to the birthplace of Jesus, marking the arrival of the Messiah. But what exactly was this star? Was it a natural astronomical event, or was it something supernatural, created specifically to mark the birth of Christ? For centuries, theologians, historians, and astronomers have attempted to explain the phenomenon, leading to various theories and interpretations. One of the most popular explanations for the Star of Bethlehem comes from the field of astronomy. Many scientists have speculated that the star could have been a rare astronomical event, such as a supernova, a comet, or a planetary conjunction. Each of these possibilities offers a fascinating glimpse into the stars and planets that filled the night sky during the time of Jesus' birth. A supernova, for example, is an exploding star that shines brightly for a short period of time before fading. Some scientists have suggested that a supernova could have appeared in the sky around the time of Jesus' birth, creating the brilliant light that guided the wise men. However, there is no historical record of a supernova occurring around this time, and many astronomers believe that a supernova would have been too unpredictable to serve as a reliable guide for the Magi. Another possibility is that the Star of Bethlehem was a comet. Comets, which are often visible in the night sky and can produce bright, dramatic tails, have been seen as omens in many cultures throughout history. In fact, some ancient cultures, including the Chinese and the Babylonians, recorded comets around the time of Jesus' birth. However, while comets were often seen as significant celestial events, the timing of the comet's appearance and its ability to guide the wise men remains a topic of debate. Perhaps one of the most widely accepted theories among astronomers is the idea that the Star of Bethlehem was a planetary conjunction, where two or more planets align in the sky, appearing to merge into a single bright point of light. One of the most compelling explanations comes from the conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn, two of the largest planets in our solar system. Jupiter was often associated with kingship in ancient times, and Saturn was linked to the Jewish people. In the year 7 BCE, these two planets aligned in the constellation of Pisces, creating a bright and rare conjunction. Some astronomers believe that this planetary alignment may have been the star that the Magi followed to find Jesus. The conjunction would have appeared as a brilliant point of light in the sky, possibly interpreted by the Magi as a celestial sign of the birth of a king. This theory is supported by the fact that the Magi were known to be skilled astronomers, familiar with the movements of the planets and stars. In ancient times, planetary alignments were seen as significant omens, often signaling important events, such as the birth of a ruler. The Magi, coming from the east, may have interpreted the alignment of Jupiter and Saturn as a sign that the prophesied king of the Jews had been born. In addition to the conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn, another key alignment occurred in 2 BCE, when Jupiter and Venus, the two brightest planets in the sky, came into close conjunction. This event, which would have been even more striking than the previous one, may have contributed to the Magi's belief that a divine event was taking place, leading them to journey to Bethlehem. While the planetary conjunction theory is one of the most plausible explanations for the Star of Bethlehem, it is important to remember that there are many other theories, each offering a different perspective on this enigmatic celestial event. Some argue that the star was a supernatural occurrence, created specifically to mark the birth of Jesus. Others suggest that it was a combination of astronomical events that created a unique and powerful symbol, marking the arrival of the Messiah. Another fascinating theory about the Star of Bethlehem comes from the field of physics, where some scientists have suggested that the star could have been an optical illusion caused by the atmospheric conditions. This idea proposes that the bright light the Magi saw could have been the result of a phenomenon known as a light refraction, in which light bends as it passes through different layers of the atmosphere. This could have caused a particular celestial body, such as a planet or star, to appear brighter and more defined than usual, creating the illusion of a star guiding the wise men. In some interpretations of this theory, the atmospheric conditions might have been especially conducive to a light refraction, occurring at just the right moment for the Magi to see it. This would explain why the star was so clearly visible, and why it appeared to remain in the same position in the sky, guiding the Magi as they traveled. According to this theory, the Star of Bethlehem could have been a combination of natural and atmospheric phenomena that, when observed from the right vantage point, seemed to have divine significance. While the scientific theories about the Star of Bethlehem provide intriguing insights into the potential causes of the event, they do not necessarily diminish the star's symbolic and spiritual significance. For many, the story of the Star of Bethlehem transcends the boundaries of science, representing the divine guidance and fulfillment of prophecy that marked the birth of Jesus. Whether the star was a natural astronomical event, a supernatural phenomenon, or an optical illusion, its importance lies in its role as a sign of hope and promise for the world. In many ways, the Star of Bethlehem is a perfect example of how science and faith can coexist. While science may offer explanations for the physical phenomena behind the star, faith provides a deeper understanding of its meaning and significance. The star's guiding light symbolizes the arrival of the Savior, and its mystery continues to inspire awe and wonder for those who celebrate Christmas. The Star of Bethlehem remains one of the most enduring and mystical symbols of Christmas, a beacon of hope that transcends the realms of science and faith. Whether viewed as a rare astronomical event, a supernatural phenomenon, or a symbolic guide, the star continues to inspire awe and wonder, reminding us of the deeper meaning behind the holiday season. Its legacy endures in the hearts and minds of people around the world, who see it not only as a celestial event but as a sign of divine promise. For those seeking to reconnect with the true spirit of Christmas, our ebook Rediscover the Christmas Spirit, the Magic, the Essence, and the Inner Child offers a wealth of inspiration. Filled with stories, activities, and reflections, this guide helps you rekindle the magic of Christmas, embracing the light and hope that the holiday brings. Whether you're exploring the mystery of the Star of Bethlehem or reflecting on the significance of Christmas in your own life, this ebook will guide you in creating meaningful traditions and memories for you and your loved ones. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the Star of Bethlehem. If you enjoyed this journey, be sure to check out our other videos, where we continue to explore the fascinating stories and traditions that make the Christmas season so special. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. And may your holidays be filled with light, peace, and the timeless spirit of Christmas.